This is the Chevy Cruze, the first generation, and if you get the warning saying change timing belt on the dashboard, actually this happens only with 1.8 liter engines because they have timing belts, and this timing belt interval is set to 97,500 miles, so basically 100,000 miles. And this warning, change timing belt, it's only mileage based. It doesn't mean that your engine has a problem and you need to change the belt now because it's gonna fail. No, it's not. It doesn't work like that. It works like a mileage reminder. So every 100,000 miles, basically, it will tell you to change the belt. It doesn't work for the 1.4 liter engine because this turbo engine has a chain. I would say that 100,000 miles is too much for these engines, and I would replace the timing belt once every 60,000 miles in these cars. And when it comes to timing chains, they don't have the service interval at all, but I would change them at 140, 150,000 miles to avoid chain jumping anyway.